Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a super easy install. I just got it in the mail. This is just LED strips for my interior. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the car, probably give it a wash or something, and clean the interior because I haven't been showing this thing any love, so she's super dirty. After we go ahead and get this cleaned up, we can go ahead and start on the install. Car is clean. Just vacuum the trunk. It's all good to go. Check this out. For those of you guys that don't know, this is what this scent used to be called, stripper scent. But they changed it, I think, to just signature scent now. People is probably getting offended. You can still go ahead and get the same smell down at chemical guys or detail garages if you guys have any near you. This scent smells so amazing. Okay, so here I got the Armor All Ultra Shine Protectant wipes. So it's pretty much just interior wipes to kind of clean up like these kind of doodles and shit like that. But you can go ahead and get this down at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, pretty much anywhere. You can probably find this in Walmart. Try to clean up like some of these marks over here. Look at that. Disgusting. Okay, so everything looks good. Clean the side steps, wipe down the interior some more. Let's go in the house to get something to drink because it's too fucking hot out here. You guys gotta try this. Bruh, if you guys don't know what this is, really quite lychee, you guys is missing out. This shit is too hammer. Alright, now that the car's clean, let's open this up and get started on the install. I just ordered the 4-piece set, so it comes with 4 light bars, I guess, or 4 light strips. And this has, I believe, 16 different color modes. Okay, so right here, we have the power cord, I guess. That connects to this one. So this goes in the cigarette lighter and then plugs in to this outlet right here, and I guess that's what powers these 4 light strips. And they all come with 3M on the back of them, so you can place them, like stick them against stuff. And then here we got the remote. You can make them flash, strobe, fade. And this is all for 10 bucks. So 10 bucks, and the shipping was pretty fast. Took maybe about 3 or 4 days. Okay, so I never knew it was gonna be this long. So they got the ones for the 2 front seats, and you got the ones for the back seats. So I have the 2 long ones running to the back, so we can kind of separate them. And then I have the 2 short ones in the front. I'd rather put it up here. That way, whenever my passengers come in, they don't kick my side wall over here and then end up tearing it off or something. Okay, guys, so this is the part that I'm kind of confused because, so I have the first one mounted here. But this box, it's kind of like all on one side, and I'm trying to do like a really nice tuck. I'm not trying to have wires all over the place. So I had to know what to do. I think I'm gonna see if I can run it through here and then make it come out of that side. We'll figure something out. Okay, guys, so what I did, I ran the other wire underneath my gearbox, or through like my shift boot and stuff. I would not recommend this as this is a stupid ass idea, but you already know that this is the TFV garage and you know we don't give a fuck. But anyway, here's the other wire for this strip. And I basically just ran it through the wall, and then I unclipped the tabs by my shift boot, and then I'm gonna run it through. So this side, now it's gonna come down this wall. I'm gonna have it come out, and then I'm gonna mount it on the front. Yeah, you guys do not understand how much this hurts. But look, it's going. Ah! It's the farthest I could push. I can't even take off all the tabs. Oh! Okay. Battle scars. Alright. And that one is mounted as well. We're gonna move to the back, and we should be done in a little bit. I'm back here trying to decide where to mount these two strips. I'm thinking either on the side walls over there, like by the side steps, or just mount both of them right here and right here on each side. I finally decided and I mounted them both on by the side steps. Bangle, bangle. Okay, so I just connected the power, and I guess you press this to turn it on. Look guys, I got it to work. Okay, so I can't seem to figure out why this thing won't work. Like, I'm pointing it at the receiver and look, it won't even change. Nothing. I turn it on. I'm gonna try to change the color. Well, look, it doesn't change. But I'll figure it out later. Jimmy just pulled up to my house and we're gonna start wrenching on his car. So we'll come back and figure this out later. Bruh. Guess we're all going back stock wheels now, getting ready for a week fest, hopefully. Hopefully our cars are finished by then. Look at that rubberneck over there.
Rubberneck doing nothing.
Fuck, rubberneck doing nothing, huh? This guy. Ooh, girl, you a stunner. Oh. With the Oakley shade straight from West Side.
The oil ring.
Oh, who's this guy? Sneaker top. Gee. We out here. Chevy gang. Oh shit. If anybody interested in the ESR vacuum chromes, the specs, hit up Jimmy on his Instagram. Selling them for dirt cheap. And there's still a lot of meat on these. You guys remember from our old video when we first got these. So hit them up for prices. Oh, he talking again. Tucking on them stocks. Oh, fuck. You know, it doesn't hurt so bad when you're the driver, but when you watching other people scrape the shit, that shit hurts the heart, man. That shit hurt. Okay, stop. Okay. Perfect. Now, oh, bro, this thing is stink. Oh. Holy shit.
You said hot boxing with him.
More than hot boxing. Fuck.
C02 Boxing already. Yeah, that's a...
So what now? Muffler delete, huh?
Wait for the car to cool down. Fuck that, I'm not touching that shit.
Ah, just be game.
Big game, man.
He get gloves. Right
That
there.
would save me from heat.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, hey, the tailpipe was burning them up
Yeah,
here,
that's
huh?
why I took out the tailpipe.
Shit.
Fuck,
Well, it sound better now without a tailpipe.
It's been sounding way better out of muffler now. Damn, bro.
So you mean to tell me that we don't need to do none of that machine work, huh?
None of that machine work.
Just straight apply
Apply.
the
Apply.
the ceramic
Just,
soap
just-
coat.
Just put it in the water and rub it on the car.
You just dip and dash. You just toot it and boot it. Jared knows a lot about that. What? Huh? Huh? Nothing.
He let me pull you out. My ankle. Hey, stop.
Oh!
Okay, we gotta.
Okay, here, hold this. What you? Back, frog, I pull you out.
Yeah, legit. No, I'm not stuck. I'm trying to pull the muffler.
Okay.
But like, I need more. Hey, chill.
I'm pulling you, dog.
I'm pulling too.
Fuck.
Fuck, bro.
Wait, we're grabbing one side each?
You fuck. I know you fucker. Yeah.
You're gonna end up like me. Just me just watching them. All the time, just watch them ranching.
Should I go? 1, 2, 3. Should I go your clockwise, my counterclockwise?
Okay, so while they're doing that, let's go try to figure out what the hell is wrong with my interior lights. Because they work, they turn on and everything. It's just the remote doesn't want to work. But I guess that's what you get when you pay fucking, what, 10 bucks I said it was for the LED set. So like I was saying, this is the on and off button. So look, the light's supposed to be turning on already. Oh look, and all of a sudden now it wants to make like it doesn't fucking work. Guys, I think I just shouldn't fucking break them. So guys, I fucking broke it. I think I just blew out this fuse. Alright, so I just got back from AutoZone. Got a new fuse. Check them out. Okay, so Jared couldn't get his muffler out. There's a little exhaust leak. Yeah. So we're gonna try them another day when we have more time. But since everybody works tomorrow and it started raining, kind of bums out everything. But hope you guys like this video. Be sure to drop a like. I'll try to get some pictures and stuff for you guys for Instagram, so you guys can see the car, how it looks at night. Thanks for watching, and like always, we're gonna catch you in the next video. I really just said finna. We're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Shoots.